Yeah. Yeah, this is the flange on the bottom. See if I can get it tacked on here a little bit. Little hard to see what I'm doing. But I'm basically just butt welding the ends of the flange together. Don't really want it totally complete because I gotta have sort of a little bit of a drain hole. A little bit for any moisture that gets inside the sills, because even if it's really undercoated, oil floats on water. So it means the water goes right to the bottom of the sill and sits there and rots out. So you got to have a bit of a drain. Just some unfinished metal from before. Hopefully the camera's still somewhat right. Yeah, here I'm welding a 16 gauge to 1/8 inch plate. So it's, you know, it's fairly thick metal right here. Of course, it's just on the edge. But it's working. Can't say I'm leaving any pinholes or any holes for draining water, but maybe I'll just drill holes in it afterwards in the sill. That would be more professional anyway. hard to see. I can only use one eye because the other eye doesn't, the edge of the bottom of the sill is in the way. My head doesn't get underneath here far enough. Ooh. Well, that's good. That's good for now. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, I still got a little bit of slop from unfinished work before. But anyway, I'll weld a little bit more here so I can take my vice grips down. But anyway, that holds it all nice and square for me to weld in my floor here. It gives me a very strong edge because, as I said, that's 16th plate. There's no moving it. And when I'm done, where this is 1/8 inch plate and this is 16th plate, plus the supports that I went up through the floor, the car will go on the hoist on the sills, which is unheard of here in Canada for these cobalts. But anyway, yeah, it's coming. See you later.